What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. Today is Hot Wheels time and we are going to take a look at a brand new 2024 diorama set that just showed up here in Germany. And as you can see, this thing here is GReddy themed. And guess what? We get 3 Japanese cars plus the Fleet Street Hauler. And before we start our unboxing, I would say let's take a quick look at the packaging that is GReddy themed. So we get this really nice GReddy color scheme here on the back. We see our 3 Japanese models: the custom Datsun 240Z, the Nissan Maxima drift car, the Pandem Subaru BRC, and our Fleet Street Hauler. And as you know, the unboxing of these diorama sets can take some time, so let's do a little cut here. And no, I'm just kidding. I don't edit my videos. It just takes too much time, so we bring in our already loose models in the good old-fashioned way. So here they are, and as you can see, our models are placed on kind of a race track or drift track with some palm trees in the background. It looks really good in my opinion. And I would say let's take a look at our Fleet Street Hauler first. We've seen several versions of this thing already. One of the recent versions was in Team Transport. This thing here, as you can see, with the Mercedes CLK GTR on the back. Unfortunately, this black hauler isn't Mercedes branded. I think this thing would have been so cool with some Mercedes deco, yeah, but unfortunately they didn't do that. So let's put this thing to the side. And let's be happy that our GReddy trailer, GReddy hauler has a GReddy deco. So yeah, doesn't look too bad. The tires are, yeah, slicks, by the way. On this hauler, they come with some tread on them. Yeah, this thing is pretty nice. The back part slides back, and yeah, we can tilt it, camera down a little, so you can use this as a ramp. Unfortunately, every time you put this thing back and tilt it, you know, it yeah, detaches, which is unfortunate in my opinion for a premium model, but it snaps in pretty nicely and then it sits tight. So yeah, like the wheels, like the deco. By the way, the cabin is metal and the base is metal. These parts here on the side are plastic, and yeah, this upper part also. These tires here on top, which is really nice. And we also see yeah, the date code T09. That means this thing was made in the 9th week of 2024, which is I think end of February. Yeah, so yeah, nice deco. So let's put our hauler to the side, and I would say we go on with the custom Datsun 240Z. Here we go, saying GReddy on the side. Really like the colors. Unfortunately, if you take a close look, I know a lot of people on YouTube complain about that. The prints are not the best. You can see these pixels. Yeah, for a premium model, I don't know. I hope they fix this sometimes. I think the quality could be a little better, but I like the color scheme. And I really like these tiny, yeah, 5-spoke wheels. They look really, really good on this one. Yeah, got the Pandem kit on it, so it's really wide. I really like the stance of this model, by the way. And when I first saw it, I thought this one had the lens headlights, which is kind of impossible, you know that, because of the space. But they are printed. But I think they did a good job on them. We also get taillights and a GReddy license plate. So yeah, this one's pretty nice. And by the way, in my opinion, the perfect match for our Fleet Street hauler. So yeah, let's go on with this guy here, the Pandem Subaru BRC. Really like the wheels on this one, white wheels. These are the arrow blades. This one looks really good. Crisp details on the back. Really like the color scheme, the turquoise livery. We got the Pandem windshield banner, looking really nice, also with a pretty nice stance. The wing is plastic, and yeah, I think this is a kind of a premium only casting. I think there are 5 or 6 versions of this model. I only do have one other version, and I can show you here in a Falcon deco with the yellow headlights, also really nice. And yeah, this is also a really nice version of this guy. Yeah, nice color scheme. So there we go, and yeah, let's get to the last one, which is the Nissan Maxima drift car, and this is the first time we see this casting in premium. I will show you some mainline versions in a second, but yeah, this one looks really cool, like the orange livery. As you can see, this casting comes with, yeah, kind of a window on the hood, so you can see the engine details. Unfortunately, there's nothing printed, so it would be too expensive. Yeah, GReddy deco on the roof. Let me show you the other versions we've seen so far. We've seen this one in, these are the mainline versions, by the way, in blue, without any front or back details. Doesn't look too bad. Comes with these tri-spoke wheels. Same thing here in red. This version even looks better in my opinion. And I think this guy here was the first version, which I think this guy here would also have been a really nice premium version in my opinion. What I like on this one is the Nissan deco here on the splitter. That looks really good, the Motul deco. So yeah, also a really nice version. What I like about the blue and the red version is, as you can see, these do come with a chrome interior. So we get chrome engine details, and look, I hope you can see it here on camera. This looks so cool if, yeah, the engine is decorated up in chrome, shines through this window. It looks really good. You know, the thing is, I don't know if they do it on, if they do chrome interiors on these premium models, and yeah, maybe would have looked too extreme, but yeah, yes, it would have been cool. I like these yellow inner lights, by the way. And as you can see, this one does have these tiny 4 spokes. Doesn't look too bad. And yeah, that's quite it for today. You know, at the end of these videos, I do always pick a favorite, and I would say it's a Nissan Maxima drift car. Although we also can see the pixels here on this side deco. Yeah, but it is how it is. It's a pretty nice set in my opinion. And there you have it, the unboxing of the GReddy diorama set of 2024. With that said, thank you for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.